everybody. I just wanted to send you all a quick recording on how to set up a telephone conference line in your Blackboard classroom, which you're going to need for IEP meetings. So the first thing you want to do when you're setting up your telephone conference line, and this is really important when you have IEP meetings where the parent does not have a microphone or they're not able to log in, they can call in. So you're going to go up here to the top next to the audio setup, select the drop down arrow here with next to the lines. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to scroll down to configure teleconference. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to type in the phone number to your teleconference line. You can leave student information blank, or you can type the phone number and PIN there as well. But if you just type the student information and not teacher and class, it will not collect. It will not connect. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my conference line. And then I'm going to type it in here. And the class information, when you do your conference line, there's something different that you need to do for the PIN. You need to add 5 commas, then your PIN number, then 5 more commas, and then the number 1. If you do not do that, it will not connect. So 5 commas, your PIN, pound, 5 commas, and the number 1. Then you're going to click Save and Connect. And while you're doing that, you can tell it's working by the voice that's talking.
freeconferencecall.com. Please enter your access code.
And just so you know, pretty soon, once it's connected, it's going to start some music in your classroom, and you're going to hear that.
9, 9, 5, 8, 1, 6, 5. If this is correct, press 1. To re-enter your access code, press 2. You are the first caller.
Alright, so you're going to confirm, and you can hear this music starting, and that music will not turn off until someone enters the teleconference line. So if no one is entering that, then you're going to want to disconnect your line. You can turn down the volume while you're waiting by just clicking this. This is your classroom volume if you don't want to listen to that music. If you needed to disconnect the conference line, you just go back to this drop-down arrow and disconnect class from teleconference. And then just select yes, and that will disconnect your class. If you haven't already set up your conference call line, you can go to www.freeconferencecall.com to sign up for that conference call line. And make sure you save that information in a place where you're going to remember where that is. It's good to put it in a Word document. I will send you all of the directions via email, but this is just the directions here that I'll send to you. And just so you know, when you're managing a teleconference line, the #6 is the mute function. So if you're ever on a teleconference line, or when parents or students are using that for class or IEP meetings, make sure that they know how to use that mute function, which is #6 when it's not their turn. And also, you can also have the students leave their line open, and then you can control their mute functions with the microphone by selecting the microphone, turning on or off tools there by making it red. So that is another option if they're a little younger and can't use that #6 or they're having trouble. So that's just a quick training on how to use your conference line, and I hope that helps.